Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking? Meet the Ninja Crispy Air Fryer, your new kitchen hero. This all-in-one system cooks meals in minutes. Enjoy crispy chicken and veggies with ease. The thermal shock-resistant glass is a game-changer. It goes from freezer to crispy in no time. With 4 cooking functions, it does it all. Snap-lock lids keep your meals secure on the go. Cleaning is a breeze. Everything is dishwasher safe. Don't wait. Order your Ninja Crispy today.
Product 2.
Looking for a kitchen upgrade? The Black Plus Decker Crisp and Bake is here. This 12-in-1 toaster oven does it all. Enjoy perfect pizzas or toast with ease. Its French doors add style and convenience. Cook faster with convection technology. Get crispy results without the guilt. Intuitive controls make cooking a breeze. Don't miss out on this kitchen essential. Order yours today and elevate your meals.
Product 3.
Looking for a kitchen game changer? The Kasori pressure cooker is a 9-in-1 marvel. It pressure cooks, slow cooks, and even sous vide. Enjoy safer venting with its unique design. Cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe parts. The stainless steel body resists fingerprints. Monitor cooking easily with its progress bar. The non-stick pot is BPA-free for your safety. Get inspired with the included recipe cookbook. Don't miss out. Order your Kasori today.
Product 4.
Tired of store-bought juice with additives? The Elite Gourmet Citrus Juicer makes fresh juice easy. Enjoy healthy, natural juice from any citrus fruit. With a 24 oz capacity, it's perfect for sharing. Its compact design fits any kitchen or RV. The auto-reversing reamer speeds up juicing. No more mess with the easy pour spout. All parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup, made from BPA-free materials for your peace of mind. Order now and start your healthy juicing journey.
Product 5.
Are you ready to elevate your coffee game? Meet the Ninja Espresso Machine, your coffee ally. Brew espresso, drip coffee, or cold brew with ease. Enjoy double or quad shots, tailored to your taste. The integrated grinder offers 25 precise settings. Experience barista-level coffee with guided technology. Create perfect microfoam with hands-free frothing. Choose from 3 brewing temperatures for perfection. Built-in storage keeps everything organized and handy. Don't miss out. Order your Ninja Espresso Machine now.
Product 6.
Are you tired of cold food at gatherings? The Wanish electric warming tray keeps food warm. It features elegant black glass and gold edges. This tray heats quickly and evenly for 8 dishes. Enjoy 2 temperature modes for perfect warming. Simply plug it in and start using it right away. The 78 cord offers flexibility in placement. It also defrosts food and warms masks easily. Safety features ensure worry-free usage every time. Order now to enjoy warm meals anytime.